Installing a scissor lift in a workshop is often difficult and time-consuming. Engineers from Denmark came to the rescue with this system, which is easy to install and very useful. According to the company, it's a revolutionary lift. It can lift up to about 7,700 pounds, and the distance between the legs is flexibly adjustable. The lift height is up to 6.4 feet, and the width is adjustable from 4.3 to 9.8 feet. Thanks to the quick-release connection system, the lift is easy to set up and maintain, and is ready to work with cars, vans, and SUVs. In any workshop, whether amateur or professional, storage becomes an issue sooner or later. This 2-in-1 storage system will help to avoid clutter and to always know where everything is. The main feature of the system are these drawers, which can be used both as wall lockers and as carrying cases. With a load capacity of about 22 pounds, the standard set includes a drawer, 2 dividers, and a rail. This model is very versatile. It's easy to customize for a specific workshop, and it will be of interest not only to DIYers, but also to fishermen, hunters, and campers. And some people mount the system directly into their cars. The price for a set starts at $140. Now let's talk about the tools from REMA Tip Top. This company's doing quite well, which is clear from its name. In the 2020 fiscal year, it managed to reach sales of around $1 billion, all thanks to their products for tire repair. The team's products include vulcanizing heat presses, balancing equipment, and a variety of compounds, tools, and repair patches like the one shown on the screen. This patch reduces repair time by about 40%, requires no additional ventilation, and is suitable even for tires that have to work in extreme conditions. A special compound with high adhesion allows you to sand the tire, making it look like new. Next is the winner of the renowned SEMA show. It's considered one of the key events for manufacturers of all kinds of car gizmos. The product we want to show you will come in handy for cleaning air ducts and drain holes. Experts advise you to clean them at least a couple of times a year because all kinds of dirt gradually gets in there. Thanks to this tool, the cleaning process will be faster and easier. Basically, it's a flexible wire element with textile fibers, complete with mounts for cordless drills and screwdrivers. The package weight of the kit is about 15 ounces, and it's compact and very easy to use. Surprisingly, they're asking $450 for it, even though it doesn't include a screwdriver. A properly performed wheel alignment does not only increase safety on the road, but also reduces wear and tear on your tires. On your screen is a 3D wheel alignment stand that makes the work of mechanics easier. The main feature is the machine vision system. Using high-resolution cameras, it creates a copy of the suspension on the computer, and then it compares its condition with the reference model. For greater accuracy, special targets are fixed on the wheels in order to make it easier for the system to aim. A huge advantage of these systems is that they can be used right after installation. No calibration is needed. They can be used in the repair shops with inspection pits and elevators. The price is substantial though, starting at $15,000. What do you do when you need to remove multiple fasteners at once? In this case, multi-spindle attachments with an adapter for a variety of cordless tools come in handy. A big advantage is the ability to find the ideal template for each specific operation, such as drilling, countersinking, or tapping. The rich selection of accessories shortens the work cycle, and since the spindles are powered by the same motor, they also rotate at the same speed, ensuring high work quality. This tool will be of great value to professionals who repair and maintain trucks and heavy equipment, such as tractors and harvesters. It greatly simplifies wheel removal and mounting, allowing you to adjust the torque between 450 and 650 Newton meters. The company is also willing to make a 1000 Newton meter model upon request. The solution is not only practical but also safe, as you no longer have to struggle with long levers, pushing them with your whole body and risking injury. There's also a spark-free model that has a copper impact head. It's also much more comfortable in confined spaces and allows even one person to do an impressive amount of work. Here's another tool with a similar function. It helps if a fastener is rusted or stuck. Just 15 seconds of induction heating is enough to solve the problem. In addition, the tool will also be useful for repairs. For example, it will straighten small dents in the body, help with heat-shrinking parts, and heating for vinyl coating. The design of the device allows you to heat just the right part of the piece without damaging the rest. In addition, the heating will go evenly across the entire circumference. That is, you don't need to constantly move the tool. The manufacturer offers several models with different outputs, for example, 1 and 2 kilowatts. The price starts at $650. Next up is a patented tool that works with springs. The video tutorial is just 90 seconds long, and the design offers strength and security similar tools can only dream of, the description states. The tool weighs about 33 pounds and can withstand a load of 4,000 pounds. You'll need a vise for work, and the included safety ropes will make it safer. The spread of the model is up to 8 inches, and the price for it is $300. Sadly, some people complained in the comments, as it's easy to scratch or crumple parts when using the tool. This system will come in handy for repairmen who work on car bodies and frames. The presented version has a lifting capacity of about 7,700 pounds and an adjustable height ranging from 4.3 inches to 5.6 feet. According to the description, it's a small version built with high alloy steel tubing using European advanced technology. It's so convenient that the worker can handle the job alone, and the built-in casters, like those in supermarket shopping carts, help it to move around. And considering that there were 947 million passenger cars on the roads of the planet back in 2015, the owners of these systems will obviously have a lot of work to do. It is 2022, and according to the timeline of the Terminator franchise, cyborg assassins will be here in a couple of years. In the meantime, let's take a look at this Terminator designed to repair windshields. It will do all the work for you, the manufacturer promises. However, that's not completely true. You will still need some preparation. But after that, all you have to do is set the program you need and you can go about your business. This is the only solution with this degree of automation on the market, according to the website of the company. The repair is done by vacuum and is useful for chips, cracks, and other defects, which cause dirt and moisture to accumulate. However, you will have to splurge $2,700 on a full set. The quickest and most effective way to install flexible CV boots with diameters up to 4.5 inches, says the manufacturer. Any experienced driver knows that the CV joint, or constant velocity joint, works under heavy load, and a torn or worn boot will drastically reduce the joint's service life. The tool on the screen works with compressed air, making it easier to replace the boot. The video tutorial is only 5 minutes long, and the design is so successful that the manufacturer recommends the model for professional workshops as well. Keep in mind that it requires a flexible CV boot, because regular ones are often too hard for this kind of installation. Users clarify in the comments. The figure on the price tag is $248. Next is a joint play tester that's used to test the chassis and steering of a car and can find axle problems, for example. It doesn't require power, compressed air, or anything else. It's compact and suitable for cars weighing up to 7,700 pounds. The system allows you to quickly simulate a variety of road situations, such as cornering on both axles, see a clear result, and immediately show it to the client, and at the same time explain what needs to be repaired. The system was designed by a master mechanic, and its total weight is about 141 pounds. The price is $1,667.
Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. The power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.